Okay, we're at Corte Inglés in Spain. I'm just gonna hit both comments because this is so busy. We're gonna stop at this floor as well. This floor actually has working indicators. The other floors have the indicators, but they just don't use them for some reason. Oh look. Why is the ThyssenKrupp logo so massive? What the heck? That is huge. So look, there's like a cursor or something, like the type thing. Something flashing. Looks like we're gonna get this way.
Ascensor subiendo. Planta 4.
Estoy haciendo un proyecto.
Ascensor subiendo. Planta 5.
¿Subiendo?
¿El qué, perdón?
¿Subiendo?
Vamos para abajo, pero bueno.
Bueno, sí.
A ver, nosotros vamos al bajo, ¿no? Ahora
La
Ascensor subiendo.
oro.
el coche, no deja todo lo que tenés.
La oro.
Venga, vamos a poner nosotros aquí, sí.
Oro.
Good thing I got off there. Just got like 30 million people just got on, so I'm gonna wait for the next car. That is way too busy to film. But look, you can see they have indicators. They just don't use them. They only use them as lanterns. So I don't know why. Maybe they're just lazy or something. Who knows?
Ascensor bajando. Planta 4. Ascensor bajando. Planta baja.
Just typical ThyssenKrupp step solid, but you're not step solid, step classic.
Ascensor bajando.
That doesn't say the install,
Semisótano.
but well, these are actually originally Schindler mechanic.
Tengas un buen día.
Let's go back up. Oh wait, actually, looks like we got cab view right now. Let's get our cab view because these are so busy. And this is probably the only time I'll be able to actually get it with no people inside. So, sorry it took this long into the video to get the cab view. I mean, not that the cab is really anything that interesting, but I gotta get it because it's gotta get a cab view for all my videos, you know. It's part of the process. I'm trying to get a read of that. Who even knows? All right, we're gonna go back up to B. Pretty sure that's the exit. It's got the green raised part, so I would assume so. Also, what the heck? The door sill's like broken. There's like a piece chipped up. Oh my god, the whole tile is loose. Look. Scary. I don't even know what noise was. Also, I like that they tell you what's on each floor on the screen.
Planta baja.
I like when they actually make use of the screen like that instead of just having a number in the middle and blank space all around it. Like at that point, just get like a segment of the indicator or something. Oh, hey Nada. Here's the jewelry section. Anyway, yeah, they got the indicators on these floors. Anyway, that will be it.